way or technique are you using to talk to your customers when you're not on social media or after they make a purchase? If you're not sure of what or how to do this, then you, my friend, are in the right place. Hello, my name is Ecouia. I'm the creator and founder of Silky Sex, a luxury hair care line, and I'm here to talk to you about why you still need an email list in 2023. So I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you still need an email list right now in 2023, and then if you stay to the very end, I'm also going to tell you a great way of how you can start collecting emails right now so that you can start building your list and stop leaving money on the table. So reason number 1, you need a way to nurture your relationship with your customers when they're not online or after they make a purchase or you make that sale. Emails are the best way to handle customer service issues. That way you can answer questions and you don't have to worry about people all in your business, all in the comments seeing what's going on. It's just a more professional and streamlined way to go back and forth to do business. It's also a great way to collect reviews, to follow up with someone after they make the purchase, because reviews often sell products. It's a great way to also get feedback for future products or changes, or if you're developing new products, you can have surveys, you can ask people questions, you can share behind the scenes, you can give people discounts, you can give people a VIP experience, you can send messages for the holidays. There's just a really nice way to make things a little bit more personal through email, something that you cannot do through social, which leads me into reason number 2. And reason number 2 is you own your email list. You do not own your social media platforms. So whatever your favorite platform is, it's great, and social media is great and you should be on it. It is a great free tool to use and promote your business. However, we all know social media forms go away. We've seen that with Vine, we've seen that with MySpace, we've seen that with Periscope. And what happens to all those following, or all those people who were following you on those platforms and subscribers, followers, etc., if that platform happens to close down? You own your email list, so you can take your email list with you to the next platform or the next buzz or the next thing. However, if you just only had followers strictly through Instagram, then where do you take them next? So you can use your email list to promote your social media and to let people know when you're posting, because we all know that algorithms are getting stricter and stricter. They're giving you less and less reach, but your email list, you can send it out to everyone on it. You know at least that everyone that is on that list that got it, but you cannot guarantee that every single follower, every single subscriber is going to see your content. So it's just a smarter way to leverage your following. You own it, you can take it with you, you can use it to promote your social media, promote your business, and you don't have to ever worry about someone coming in, hacking it, taking it away, changing it, changing the algorithm, changing your reach. It's yours. And reason number 3 that you need an email list in 2023, and the reason why I think it's so important, is because people expect to be sold to through emails. Email still has the highest conversion rate, even over social media. How many times have you given a company your email or signed up for email because you want to know when they're having that next sale, when they're launching that new product, if you want that discount, right? It's certain times of year that are built in where you know I'm going to be checking my emails, right? Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Business Saturday, Giving Tuesday, summertime, back to school, tax time, right? There's certain times where we expect to hear from companies and we want to hear from them, right? That's why we gave them their emails. So it's so important to have people's emails because they expect to be sold to, and you can definitely sell through them. They have the highest conversion rate still, right? Even though SMS is a thing, it's still new, so there's still kinks, but email is still tried and true. We know that it has a high conversion rate. Also, how can you follow up with people who go on your site with abandoned carts? Through email. So email is really the perfect and the best way to sell to your customers, to own your customers, and to keep that relationship going with your customers online. So I know what you're thinking, okay, Ecouia, you've convinced me. Okay, you've convinced me. I want to start my email list. Tell me how to start my emails. Well, what you would do is build what they call a landing page. And through that landing page, you can collect people's emails in exchange for a discount. That way when you launch, you can email those people, email them the discount, and let them know that the products are here, they're launched, come shop, come buy, let your family and friends know. So that's one if you have not started your business yet or you're just starting your business. If you're already in business and you haven't started collecting emails, it is not too late. The best way to collect emails is to create a freebie and then create a link that will take you to your page or to your website, or to that freebie, whether that's a landing page as well. And in exchange for giving you their email address, you give them a freebie. Now, it could be a discount code, but I think freebies are the best way. That is how I have built my list. And the freebie is something that your customer would pay for, something that they really, really want, information that they really, really need, or showing them how to do something in exchange for their email. So it could be a video, it could be a workbook, it could be a checklist, it could be an ebook, this could be a video, this could be a course. As long as it is something that your customers really, really need, or really, really want to know, something that's really, really going to benefit and help them in order to get their email address. Then once you figure out what that freebie is, then offer it everywhere. Put links in your social, put links in the footer on your website, put it everywhere so that you can start collecting those email addresses. And then once you get it and you send them that, then you can continue to grow and nurture that relationship. So let me know if this helped you, and do me a favor, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. This will let the platform know that this is some good material, because we all know, like I just said, these algorithms be crazy. So help us to stay out with that if you can. And also, if you're doing a freebie, and if you've already got a freebie, then share down in the comments so we can help each other, especially if you have a beauty business. I talk a lot about beauty businesses here, and we're all here to help each other. As always, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember to keep God first and create opportunities.